price targets for Bitcoin, the picture is not very pretty.
Bitcoin is dead. Another big issue out there is going to be crypto.
Bitcoin fell below $30,000.
Bitcoin.
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 Well, guys, it's officially happened. Bitcoin is dead.
This is the time to make money. Interest rates are rising all over the world, and at the same time, recession fears are at all-time highs. We do also know there are many banks collapsing all over the world. So this is the time to keep your money in self-custody and to make money using crypto. So in this video, I will be talking about the 3 best ways on how to make money using crypto and basically how you could use the market in your advantage. Because there are many great opportunities out there in the market right now, and I personally right now think that this is the time to prepare yourself, because in exactly 1 year from now on, the next Bitcoin halving will be here, what will make Bitcoin an even more scarce asset. And that is also exactly the reason why I think it's extremely important to pay attention towards this market right now. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's dive straight away in towards the first topic. The first way on how to earn money in crypto is by staking. What you're doing with staking is basically you're locking up your tokens in either an exchange or on a certain wallet, and by doing so, you're basically contributing towards the security and efficiency of the network. And for that, you basically get granted a reward. I am currently staking all my Ethereum that I own, and right now in the US, all the staking services are currently getting blocked. So what I am currently doing, and what I would recommend to everyone out there, is to at least get a ledger, and on your ledger you can stake your Ethereum through your ledger. And by doing so in this way, you're basically in complete self-custody of staking your Ethereum, or you could also do it with other coins. But if you're in complete self-custody, you do not have the third-party risks. And that is very important, because the main reason why I personally invested in crypto, first of all, is to not have the third-party risk of either a bank or a middleman. And if you're going to stake your crypto through an exchange, you do still have the third-party risk. So make sure that if you are interested in staking your crypto, make sure to do it either through a ledger or through a non-custodian wallet, because then it's basically in your own full custody, and that is the best way to do it in my opinion. If I'm going to look at the staking rewards, you could make up to 5.4% on a yearly basis. So let's say you would invest $100,000 and you stake your Ethereum, you will get 5.4% return over a year. And of course, everything is calculated in Ethereum. So if the Ethereum price decreases, you will probably make, of course, less returns, maybe even a negative return, but that's due to the fact that your Ethereum decreases, but your Ethereum amount will still get that 5% annual return. So it's important to know, if you're going to stake your cryptocurrencies, there are always risks involved. And personally, I am right now only staking Ethereum, but since I've got a long-term horizon investment strategy, I do not worry at all if the price decreases tomorrow or the day after, because I only really care where the price is going to trade at in 4 years from now on. So if you're interested in like holding your tokens for a longer time horizon, and especially with Ethereum, what I do think is a good long-term hold, why don't hold it for a longer period of time? And if you're holding it for a longer period of time, why don't you stake it? Because that's basically guaranteeing you a passive way of making money in crypto. The second way on how to make passive income in crypto is using Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies is an AI-powered trading algorithm that basically automatically trades for you, and it makes around a 60 to 70% return on a yearly basis. Cryptocurrencies is a trading algorithm that is settled in USDT and that is outperforming Bitcoin. And in the first 6 months it has been live, it has outperformed Bitcoin by over 22%. The reason why this AI-powered trading algorithm is better than, let's say, dollar cost averaging in towards the market is due to the fact that this AI algorithm can foresee whenever the market is going to be having a big crash, like you can see clearly in the previous results of the trading algorithm. And it also exactly knows when to step in towards the market when there's really going to be a massive market move. So basically, it takes out all the stress that you would have yourself by trading Bitcoin, and basically an AI-powered algorithm is literally doing the trading for you. And if we're talking about trading algorithms or trading bots, many people usually think it's super hard to set up, but actually to set up this trading bot, it takes less than 5 minutes. And I personally have been using it myself as well for the past 8 months, and so far since I've been starting using Cryptocurrencies, I've made a net profit of about 48%, what is quite significant for something that is automatically trading for you. And what I really learned from my experience from trading Bitcoin and being in the market in general is that many people usually don't know when to buy once the bottom is there or when to sell once the top is there. And by using an AI trading algorithm, it can literally help you guide. I mean, I'm saying literally help you guide. It will automatically trade for you, but it exactly knows when to take out the money once Bitcoin is topping out, or when to enter the market once the market is low. So it basically takes away all the hassle that you need to do, all the research, and it literally lets you sit back, drink a cocktail at the swimming pool, enjoy the beautiful weather, and at the same time you're making passive income. So if you're interested in this passive income strategy, go to cryptocurrencies.com, check out the subscription that suits to you. And the lifetime subscription has actually been the most chosen one, because once you buy the lifetime subscription, you can use the algorithm forever. And right now, if you use the code ROBOT, you can actually get a 5% discount, so make sure to use it right now. And the third best way on how to make money in crypto is by trading cryptocurrencies. Trading cryptocurrencies is an extremely profitable way on how to make tons of money in crypto, but be aware, you first got to learn it. And what I mean with you first got to learn it is that personally, out of my own experience, my first 3-4 years of trading weren't necessarily profitable. I was losing a lot of money with all my trades, and after 4 years of losing and sometimes winning significantly hard with trading, I finally started to become profitable. There are people in the market with tens and tens of years of experience, and you are trying to take money of them. Because what it is with trading is literally you're betting against someone else. You're betting that the price is going up and someone else might be betting the same, and you're right. If you're betting the price goes up and someone else who's got more money is betting the price is going down, it probably will go down. So you're betting against the big boys. You're trading always against the big players. And that is why it takes a lot of time before you can actually start to become good at it. What I should recommend is watch my YouTube channel. I talk about trading every single day on the channel. And at the same time, out of my own experience, I do know that the best way on how to trade Bitcoin is by doing it with support and resistance. It's a very simple way on trading it. Of course, you could trade breakout patterns, but personally, I think the best way to trade Bitcoin is by using demand and supply zones. By doing that effectively on, let's say, the weekly, on the monthly, on the daily time frame, I am already guaranteeing you could start to make good money from off the beginning. Personally, I am using Bybit. That's my favorite exchange where I'm trading Bitcoin on. You can trade there Bitcoin, you can trade altcoins, and of course, like we do know, with altcoins there are usually bigger swings, so there are bigger risks involved, but also you could make way more money due to the fact that altcoins are way more volatile. So there are many opportunities in the market right now here, especially with trading cryptocurrencies. And maybe the most reliable way to trade cryptocurrencies in the end of the day is by swing trading it. So to look for an entry that you can hold open for a longer period of time, and then you can basically swing the market towards the upside. That is basically how I am trading Bitcoin. I would rather catch like the big moves than every single time the small moves on the 5-minute time frame. I mean, on the 5-minute time frame you could also trade, but if you're just going to be looking at the bigger picture, you're usually more often right. I can tell you that already. So yeah, make sure to watch my daily YouTube videos where I talk about these trading strategies, where I talk about the market updates, and there you could learn more about trading. And if you want to be having an exchange where you can trade on, don't forget to check out Bybit in the link in the description right now, because if you sign up an account, you can get actually a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make sure to check it out and claim your deposit bonus right now. So there you have it, the 3 best ways on how to make money in crypto. I mean, one thing we can all agree on, and that is that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. So whether you're going to use one of these strategies or whether you're going to be a long-term investor, you can make a lot of money in this industry. So make sure to do your own research. And there's just one fact that we do know, and that is that every single 4 years there will be a Bitcoin halving, and until that, Bitcoin will become more and more scarce. And if the ask stays the same or it will even increase, the price can only go up exponentially. So for the long term, I'm very convinced about the market. And with using these strategies, you could even make more money. And with using one of these 3 strategies, you can make even more money than the market is already allowing you. Check the links in the description right now. Here you can get a 5% discount if you use the code ROBOT right now. But that was it for me on today's tutorial video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.